to our lecturer. Today, we would like to present about our group assignment about the FNN company and their logistic activities that have carried out in the FNN company. Before we start our presentation, I would like to introduce my group members, me, myself, Mishalini, and Yogeshini, and Vanishri, and Aruna, and lastly, Kausalya. The first part will be introduction. Fraser and Neff FNN Company is a group with business in food and drink, brewing, property development, and publishing. FNN was formed in 1883 and it is one of Singapore's well-known brands and also the oldest company. Next, firstly, its traditional business was in the production and distribution of beverage from its FNN range and licensed international brands.
Frasers and Neff Holdings Berhad Company's background. FNN, founded in September 1883 by John Fraser and David Chalmers, Neff, two Englishmen who were already partners in a printing firm before this. In 1892, Commercial listed the organization as producers of soda water, seltzer water, potassium water, lemonade, ginger, and provide it to Singapore's clubs, accommodations, and residents. In 1898, a brand new public company changed its shape to take over the aerated water business and the Singapore and Strait Printing Office. After the turn of century, FNN had 63 employees, become one of the largest companies in Singapore. There are already several offices too in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. FN is a company that sells carbonated soft drinks at the first. There are three product types under the FNN business, which are soft drinks, dairy products, and property.
Vision and mission of FNN company. FNN Holding Sdn Bhd has its own vision and mission. That vision and mission are direction of their company for the future. Firstly, vision is to become the leading total beverage company in Malaysia and the region. Mission is to provide superior returns to our shareholders, excellent value for our customers, and a rewarding career for our employees.
Transportation can be described as the process of transporting something from one point to another point. To put it in another way, if there is no transport, there is no logistic. Malaysian operations have made tremendous success in recent years by transitioning from single-story to double-decker vehicles. As a result, the company can move more goods per trip while also cutting down the number of trips. Oracle's transportation management, which we call as OTM system, on the other hand, includes all incoming, leaving and exporting containers, giving it overall control over logistical operations in Malaysia. Using the OTM system, they may enhance operational efficiency by optimizing operational planning and improving fleet management. Meanwhile, the FNN team can better manage the carrier fleet, including driver and equipment assignment, delivery, asset tracking, event management, and payment to suppliers. Finally, because of this decentralization plan, production and warehouse operations are closer together, resulting in quicker routes to market and lower logistical related carbon emissions. FNN has invested 78 million ringgit in a state-of-the-art automatic storage retrieval system (ASRS) in a new integrated warehouse at the Shah Alam plant, which will eliminate the demand for forklift and hence lower the carbon footprint in warehouse operations.
Facility location of FNN Berhad's company. Facility location is attracting a lot of attention in today's world. As organizations realize the importance and benefits of a successful facility site as well as the consequences of choosing an unsatisfactory facility location. FNN is one of the region's oldest and most well-known food and beverage firm, and its successful facility placement decision could result in significant cost savings as well as improved customer service. FNHB is one of the top beverage manufacturers and distributors in the region with renowned brands. FNHB products are sold to 82 countries around the world, and they plan to extend their export footprint even further by focusing on halal markets and leveraging the country's halal hub accreditation. FNNHB has 8 manufacturing plants in Malaysia and Thailand, addressing the demand of regional customers. Its cutting-edge physical product the most advanced manufacturing methods to ensure the greatest level of food safety and efficiency. For example, in 2016, the Malaysia announced their plans to expand their soft drink facility in Shah Alam.
Packaging, the last logistic activities in FNN. Packaging is a coordinated system of preparing goods for safe, secure, efficient, and effective handling, transport, distribution, storage, retailing, consumption, and recovery, reuse, or dispose, combined with maximizing consumer value, sales, and hence profit. FNN packaging materials and enhancing the recyclability of our packaging. In packaging has a lot of types of innovation which company has been researching for long time. First type of innovation is like increasing usage of sustainable packaging materials, improving recyclability of packaging, and reusing packaging materials. Next, there are some importance of packaging products in good way. There are two importance. First is products are protected like products to get damaged in the way of transportation process can create significant difficulties. Second importance is types of the product packaging can help company to increase their sales figure.
The next part is materials handling. Materials handling refers to the tools and equipment that are used to make cargo handling activities more efficient and to employ fewer labor resources in cargo handling jobs that are physically demanding. The 4 dimensions of material handling are movement, time, quantity, and space. Fraser and Neff Holdings Berhad, FNHB, have implemented material assessments in their Department of Materials Handling. They did their first materiality evaluation in January 2017 to discover problems that are relevant to FNHB as a company as well as to their stakeholders. In the material handling department, they have implemented materials assessment into 3 steps. The first step will be identification. They compiled a list of significant concerns, opportunities, and difficulties confronting the group based on these discussions and the poll results. The second step will be prioritization. They held a materiality workshop with heads of departments, the C-suite, and directors to give concern highlighted in step 1 more weight. The last step will be validation. The SMC and board both approved a preliminary materiality matrix prepared at the end of step 2.
The next one will be customer service. There are several great definitions for customer service, which is customer service management. It's the supply chain management process that represents the firms to face the customer. Customer service is generally presumed to be a means by which companies attempt to differentiate their products, keep customers, increase sales, and improve profits. Furthermore, customer service usually mean being understanding and cautious to your customers while they were buying your product. Consequently, it is much more useful to consider customer service to be the type of support that you offer before, during, and after your customers buy from you. Many companies today are highly competitive primarily because of the very high quality of customer service. In another hand, describe customer service as a direct one-on-one interaction between a consumer making a purchase and representative of the company involved in the transactions. This touch point is crucial to ensure buying satisfaction. Next one will be, at FNN, they create value by prioritizing the needs of their customers and consumers. Furthermore, their products have satisfied the taste of consumers from all walks of life for generations. And this is how FNN will continue to bring smiles to everyone in tandem of promise of pure enjoyment and pure goodness. Moreover, FNN Holdings Berhad has built an excellent customer service track record of increasing sales and profits and consistent dividend payouts to shareholders over the long term as it evolves into leading total F&M organization in South Asia.
To conclude the report, there are types of logistic activities performed by FNN companies, including transportation, facility location, packaging, planning schedules, and customer service. Fraser and Neff Holding Berhad at its origin. The unique decision of two entrepreneurial young men, John Fraser and David Neff, who diversified their printing business arrayed water business in Southeast Asia in 1883. Their idea combination, F&N plays in a strong place in Southeast Asia with its position in the food, beverage, and publishing printing industries. F&N is nearby 11 countries spanning Asia Pacific, Europe, and the United States and employs over 6,900 people throughout the entire world.
Thank you.